Congratulations, you didn't just click on this video. You made a decision to stop letting time pass you by, to finally break the cycle of procrastination and start showing up for your goals, your growth, and most importantly, for yourself. You see, procrastination isn't laziness, it's fear, it's overwhelm. But the good news is it can be changed, not by working harder, but by working smarter. And that's what this video is all about. Let's be real. Most of us don't struggle because we're lazy. We struggle because we're overwhelmed. We've got too many tabs open, mentally and digitally. But the truth is, getting your life together doesn't require a dramatic transformation. You don't need to start a business, go viral, or have some perfect productivity routine. You just need structure. You need intention. You need a system that works for you, not against you. And in this video, we'll walk through exactly how to build that system, step by step. You don't have to become a 5 a.m. robot, but you do need intention. Start your day with a ritual. Whether that's journaling, stretching, prayer, meditation, or even just making your bed, ritual creates rhythm, and rhythm builds momentum. And once you've got momentum, it's a lot harder to slip into the scroll hole of your phone. Exercise isn't about weight loss or a six-pack. It's a productivity hack. Just 20 to 30 minutes of movement boosts dopamine, clears brain fog, and puts you in a state of action. This isn't about punishment. This is about fueling your mind for what's ahead. Pick something that feels good. Walks, yoga, cycling, even dancing in your room. Don't chase perfection. Chase energy. Your diet is your productivity fuel. Cereal and sugary snacks might taste good, but they crash your energy by noon. Build meals that work for you. High protein, low sugar, high fiber. Smoothies, oats, eggs, toast with nut butter, easy things that feed your brain, not just your cravings. And if cooking stresses you out, meal kit services or bulk prepping on Sundays can save you more time than you think. Don't chase perfection, chase energy. Here's where most people mess up. They say, I'll work all day today. And then they don't. Because without clear start and stop times, your brain has no urgency. Use time blocking. Give your tasks deadlines, even if they're self-imposed. Break your day into focused sprints with intentional breaks in between. I use the Pomodoro method. 25 minutes on, 5 minutes off. It's simple, effective, and it gets you started, which is the hardest part. You don't need to wing it every day. That's exhausting. Instead, build systems. A calendar that reflects your life, not someone else's routine. A digital or physical habit tracker. An evening wind down that sets up tomorrow's success. Systems reduce decision fatigue. They take the thinking out, so you can focus on doing. The version of you that's focused, clear, energized, and productive, they're already inside you. This video isn't just a guide, it's your green light. To build a life that's not only productive, but peaceful. Not only busy, but balanced. So comment below, what's the one habit you're starting this week? If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and join our journey to becoming our best selves. Together. You've got this. Let's grow. This is your reminder, it doesn't have to look perfect. You don't need the perfect desk setup, morning lighting, or cute planner. You just need to start. Start messy, start late, start unsure. Progress is progress, no matter how imperfect it looks.